Assalamualaikum students. Let's begin our last chapter in this semester. Shall I read the last chapter? And it is related to the first chapter. Some scientific term I will use over here for this oceanic current. What is the mean by current? I think ocean everyone know. Ocean is a vast body of the water available on the earth, and they have the property that they are interconnected with each other. You see, lake is there, one lake is there, they are not connected. The small part of ocean is called as sea. In a particular area, it is called as sea. Arabian Sea, it is a small part. Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea, I said, is a part of Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean बहुत बड़ा है, उसका छोटा हिस्सा Arabian Sea है. Example we talk about. So there are 5 oceans are there. Okay. So one of them is Indian Ocean. Here Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean. Then Pacific, Atlantic Ocean. What is the meaning of current then? Current means movement. We say electric current. So there is a movement of electron in it. That we say electric current. Wind current, the flowing of the wind. So here it is current is means the movement of what? Ocean. Ocean is water where the sea water or ocean water is moving. Okay, that we will study today. So I think it will be first. Most of you don't know. It is the first time information you may be getting. The ocean or sea water keep on moving. They never stop. They keep on moving always. So how they move? What they make them to move? And their types and what are the effects? These all are the content if we are going to cover today. Explanation. They have explained in your book कि you take a tray like and keep at a place tray, and in that tray fill some water. After that you put some square. Square is that small light plastic, okay, that it can float of a particular color. Red है तो सारे red में होना चाहिए. You place in the water, what you will observe? The squirrel will observe, it will move here and there, and after that it will settle down. It will move very slowly or it will not move. If air will be blowing, अगर room में रख रहे in a room, all fan is switch off. Like now I am recording the video, I switch off the fan. So same way, if you are keeping in the room, बाहर है तो air will flow, it will move. It is in the room, fan is switch off, then after few minutes it will not move. Once all are stationary, they are at rest, what you do, you have to keep a candle or a spirit, okay, below of this tray. Ignite the candle or spirit. जला दिए, flame कर दिए. You find that as soon as the heating start, the water getting warmer, temperature of the water start increasing. So this plastic object start moving. As the temperature increases, more of the water, the movement increases. Afterwards, it start moving in a circular motion. See, this is moving with before you keep the now candle is or spirit is kept, spirit lamp. After a few minutes, it start moving, and after that, as the temperature increases, it start moving in a circular way. What does it mean? It means the observation, the result we got is once we heat the water, so there is a difference in temperature. There is a difference in temperature over here first. See, it is moving circular. there is a difference in temperature. The surface of the water which is touching the tray will be heated more. The surface, जब सपोज यहाँ पे आग लगा रहे हैं हमें, तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गर्म होगा ना, यहाँ पे गर्मी होगा लेकिन यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गर्म होगा. उसी तरह जो surface of the water which is touching the tray, है ना, because tray is touching this flame, so it will heat it more. The heated water get light. Heated water is light. तो light thing क्या होगा? It come up. Light thing comes up, है ना. Thermocol is lighter. That's why it will float in the water. Why this plastic is floating? Because they are lighter. They are lighter than water. The density is less than water. Thermocol density is more. That's why it will float. Iron density is more than water. That's why iron will sink. Iron will sink. You might have learned in science 80 standard density, है ना. So I think you understand the word density. So as the water is getting heated, so it getting lighter. Density become light. So heated water or lighter water or less denser water will rise up, है ना. और ऊपर का जो वाटर है, upper part में surface water, है ना, it is cold, it will sink. It will sink. It goes on, and we cannot observe. Water is transparent object. We cannot see. So that's why we have kept this sequel of plastic object. कि when the water will move, so we will find कि oh, this is also moving. It means water is moving actually. The movement of this is actually because of the movement of the water. Water is moving up and down, and afterwards they start moving a circular way. The water will start moving a circular way. So experiment is कि when the temperature rises due to the change in temperature of the water surface and the bottom, है ना. When the bottom temperature rises, it becomes light and it goes up, and the upper one is the cold, it comes down. It keep on going. So this is the movement, and this is what our chapter is current. The movement of the water means water is moving up and down, vertical. This is the vertical movement, up and down. Clear? From where we came to know the water is moving up and down. When there is change in temperature or when there is some difference in temperature, you can see. There is another interesting incident happened in 1992 Pacific Ocean. What the incident was कि cargo ship was sailing from Hong Kong to America, and during the way, in between the way, it got wrecked. The ship got destroyed on the way near the Hawaii Island. Okay. The container in which it carried twice, this type of twice it is carrying. Which ship? In a container. That container got wrecked, and all the twice came in the sea, and they are very light, so they are floating. Some millions of twice, okay? Some participants see millions of twice they came from the container because ship got wrecked. They are not floating because they are lighter. It is observed that the story began now, main part. It is observed that after a while, after a month, after a year, it's 28,000 rubber twice started floating on the ocean. 28,000. So very much. This is an incident about the 10th of January 1992 10th of January 1992 it's happened. Now strange thing happened afterwards around 10 months on 16 November 1992. After 10 months, okay? See, it happened over here, Hawaii Island, यहाँ पे the ship was broken, and after that, okay, it is found that that dog, it is reaching to the coast here 1995 after 3 years. Here it crossed this and this, okay, this side 1992 में इधर 1992 में इधर ही कुछ ही दिन में after November, okay, it's a 8 month or like that, it reached over here. In 2002, 2000, 2003, it reached here. 2007, it reached here. है ना? It's this part they reach. So I say they take lots of time to reach and here and there. Okay, they take the time slowly and slowly. But what make the duck to move, to float here and there such a vast distance? 10,000 किलोमीटर, 10,000 किलोमीटर यहाँ से यहाँ का डिस्टेंस होगा, उससे ज़्यादा होगा. 10,000, 15,000 किलोमीटर जो डिस्टेंस अगर किया in a year, how much year? Maybe 10 years, 15 years, 7, 20 years it taken to move from here to there. 20, 15 years. What make the duck or that was plastic was to move? That's important thing over here. तो क्या था, कौन सा फोर्स था जो उसको मूव करवा रहा था ना, वो चीज के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं. तो दैट इज द नथिंग बट ओशन करंट, द सी वाटर व्हिच कीप ऑन मूविंग, दैट व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज करंट, है ना. सी वाटर इट कीप ऑन मूविंग, है ना, दैट मेक द टॉयज टू मूव हियर एंड देयर. See, you can enjoy. Some of the toy reached the coast of Alaska after a long time. Floated to Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay. 2003 में अमेरिका, ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ अमेरिका, वेस्टर्न पार्ट इज द वेस्ट पार्ट इज द ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ अमेरिका. Reached by 2007. Australia route. They spread whole world. So now we will learn geographical explanation to this. See, geographical explanation we start. Okay, we will understand by this. Let's talk about the ocean water. Ocean water can be divided into two parts. On which category? According to their depth. According to their depth. The first one is surface water. Another one is the deep water. The surface water is sea. It is shown in the picture here to here, and the rest is this much. The distance of surface water is 500 meter from the surface till end. This is the 500 meter. Afterwards, deep water it is there. So 500 meter. After 500 meter, deep water start. The characteristic of surface water is that sunlight reach till here only. Sunlight reach till here only. After 500 meter, sunlight doesn't reach this part. This part it doesn't reach. Sunlight are coming, they are penetrating in the water and it reach maximum here. 500 meter. Means sunlight are there available in surface water only, not in deep water. Getting? So this is the movement in this layer occur mainly due to difference in temperature and salinity. The movement in the surface water occur. Why? Because of temperature and salinity. I said you that in the first experiment in the train there is change in the temperature, and due to change in the temperature there is movement, vertical movement over there or circular movement over there. So since I said you this surface water is facing the heat of the sun, so there is a rise in temperature of the surface water. Surface water getting light, the lower part become heavy. So there will be movement. Some part of the earth getting light more. Equatorial region, which part? Equatorial region. In first chapter I taught you the equator faces the sun directly, perpendicularly, and the pole faces the sun inclined way. So there is more heat in the equatorial region. That is called as tropical region also. In the tropical region, the heat is more. As we go from equator to the pole, pole is the north pole and south pole, the temperature decreases because sunlight is inclined. So temperature decreases, matlab the heat will be less. The heat will be less, matlab the cold water is more denser than the light water. The cold water is more denser than the light water. So there will be the movement of the water. There will be the movement of water, and I think you understood how temperature affect the water. Temperature affect the water. The heated water, hot water is lighter than cold water. And water has one more property कि after 4 degrees Celsius, I make the diagram over here. It is in your 10th standard. Just giving you a summary. You will learn in 10th standard again. 4 degrees Celsius. Water is when it's coming, temperature is decreasing. The temperature of the water is decreasing. When it decreases, it contracts. Okay, and density is decreasing. Density नीचे जाए तो डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ऊपर जाएंगे तो इंक्रीज होगा डेंसिटी. When temperature rises 4, 10, 12, 20, 40, 50, 90, temperature increasing, density increasing. है ना? When temperature decreasing, density decreasing. Density decrease मतलब हुआ कि वो heavier हो रहा है. Sorry, it's opposite, wrong. When we come downward, okay, come downward तो आ रहा है, तो डेंसिटी क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. 80 से 70 से 60 30 40 है, तो क्या हुआ, डेंसिटी क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. डेंसिटी इंक्रीज हो रहा है मतलब वो हैवी हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है, वाटर हैवी हो रहा है. और जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है तो डेंसिटी क्या हो रहा है, लाइट हो रहा है. लाइट हो रहा है मतलब वो लेस वेटी हो रहा है ना. अब यहाँ तक, अब 4 डिग्री की बात क्या होता है, वाटर क्या होता है, यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी होता है वाटर का. कितना, मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर 4 डिग्री पे मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी होता है. 4 डिग्री के बाद क्या होता है, वापस से जीरो जाते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है, उसका डेंसिटी क्या होता है, डिक्रीज होता है. डेंसिटी डिक्रीज होता है. 0 डिग्री पे क्या होता है, आइस बन जाता है वाटर. तो आइस जो हमेशा वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट होता है ना. Ice is solid, but still it float on the water. Why? Because it is less denser. Ice होता है, लाइट होता है, वाटर से लाइट होता है, इसलिए वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट होता है. आइस बर्ड्स मालूम होगा. तो इसका डेंसिटी क्या होता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है यहाँ पे 0 पे वापस से, है ना. इधर आ रहे तो क्या हो रहा है, नीचे की तरफ आ रहे तो 100 से 4 की तरफ इंक्रीज हो रहा है. 4 पे मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी, 4 से वापस से नीचे आए तो क्या हुआ, वापस से डिक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गया. गेटिंग. तो इसका यूज क्या है कि जो ऊपर कभी बर्फ जम गया, सरफेस पे आइस हो गया, है ना, तो वाटर क्या होगा, नीचे डेंसर वाटर रहेगा, है ना, वो डेंसिटी ज्यादा रहेगा. अब ये भी ज्यादा ठंडा हो तो वापस ऊपर जाएगा. तो नीचे क्या होता है, हमेशा इसकी वजह से हमेशा वाटर ही रहता है 4 डिग्री में. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अगर ऊपर बर्फ हो गया, स्नो हो गया, तो जितने फिश है, जितने मैरीन एनिमल है, लिविंग थिंग्स है, वो नीचे आके सेटल हो जाते हैं, तो जिंदा रहते हैं. दे डोंट डाई इवन इफ देयर इज आइस ऑन द वाटर. पूरे समंदर में पूरा बर्फ है, तब वो नीचे नहीं आए फॉर फिशेस. क्लियर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एनोमलस बिहेवियर ऑफ द वाटर इन साइंस. You will learn this in 10th standard again, but थोड़ा सा पार्ट में बता दिया. Now salinity, we are talking about salinity. Okay, salinity में if we say पानी लिए एक गिलास, है ना, एक गिलास वाटर लिए, और एक गिलास वाटर में मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसमें एक गिलास, है ना, इसमें क्या करता है, सॉल्ट है, पानी है और सॉल्ट भी है, वाटर प्लस सॉल्ट है, इसमें सिर्फ वाटर है. ओके, पानी था इसमें, उसमें पानी में क्या किया, सॉल्ट है, तब मैं 1 लीटर वाटर लिया, इसमें भी 1 लीटर, इसमें भी 1 लीटर. In this 1 liter water, okay, glass A, what I done? I added the glass A, glass B. I added salt also. And this I not added the salt. It is fish water. So white element, डेंसिटी किसका ज्यादा रहेगा? whose density will be more? density of A will be more than B. density of A इसमें सॉल्ट ऐड किया था तो वो ज्यादा रहेगा किसमें? B से, है ना। अभी एक और C लिया मैंने, C। अब C में क्या किए, वाटर तो था, है ना, इसमें सॉल्ट बहुत ज्यादा डाल दिए, बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट डाल दिए, डबल सॉल्ट डाल दिए, तो इसका C में क्या होगा? डेंसिटी किसका ज्यादा रहेगा? C का डेंसिटी A से भी ज्यादा होगा क्योंकि सॉल्ट बहुत ज्यादा डाल दिया मैंने। तो सॉल्ट डालने से क्या होता है? डेंसिटी क्या हो रहा है? चेंज हो रहा है। सॉल्ट डालने से डेंसिटी इंक्रीज होता है। तो जितना ज्यादा सॉल्टी वाटर रहेगा उतना ज्यादा डेंसिटी मोर रहेगा। इसीलिए क्वेश्चन है आपके साइंस की टेक्स्ट बुक में कि व्हाई इट इज इजी टू स्विम इन द रिवर सी वाटर देन द रिवर वाटर, बिकॉज़ रिवर वाटर डजंट कंटेन सॉल्ट। डेंसिटी क्या होता है? रिवर वाटर का लेस होता है, सी वाटर हैविंग सॉल्ट, तो डेंसिटी इज मोर, तो दैट व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग मोर buoyancy और इट इज इजी फॉर अस टू स्विम इन सी वाटर। तो डेंसिटी से भी इफेक्ट होता है क्या? सॉरी, सॉल्ट से भी इफेक्ट होता है, डेंसिटी इफेक्ट होता है। ओके, तो these two are the reason for the movement, okay, for the movement of the ocean current, for the movement of ocean water. These two factor, temperature and salinity. But there is one more factor, that is wind, planetary wind. When wind is blowing, है ना, it is forcing the water to move also. अभी समुद्र में लहर वेव्स आते हैं because of the wind, तो because of the wind also there is movement. So there are three reasons: temperature, salinity and the wind. These three reasons mainly, है ना, help the ocean to produce current or to move. Planetary wind gives speed to the ocean current. Horizontal surface ocean current. So there is two types of current. There is two types of current also. This current, ocean current, is also categorized into two categories. One is vertical, पानी ऊपर का पानी नीचे जा रहा है ना. Another is moving. They are moving on the surface. That is horizontal. Horizontal. So let's go about horizontal movement. Flow on the surface of the ocean move only 10% of the oceanic water. ना सरफेस जो है सिर्फ 10% है ओशन का जो करंट मूवमेंट होता है ना, उसमें से सिर्फ 10% सिर्फ सरफेस पे होता है, बाकी क्या होता है? The flow on the surface, that is surface water. The surface water you see na is moving because of the wind. That is only 10%. The rest are movement inside deep current. That is called deep ocean. They are moving. The 90% they are moving either vertically up and down, or rest they are moving horizontally. So whatever you are seeing is just 10%. The surface flow is considered up to 0 to 500. है ना, surface flow जो surface वाटर मैंने बताया था, that is 0 to 5. तो 0 to 500 जो मूव हो रहा है तो क्या बोलते हैं लोग? सरफेस मूवमेंट हो रहा है करंट का, वाटर का, एंड इट इज मेजर्ड इन वर्ड्रूप यूनिट. वर्ड्रूप यूनिट इज द मेजरमेंट, लाइक लेंथ मेजरमेंट के लिए क्या है? मीटर. वॉल्यूम मेजरमेंट के लिए लीटर है. तो वाटर करंट, ओशन करंट मेजरमेंट के लिए वर्ड्रूप यूनिट होते हैं. एंड व्हाट द यूनिट इज? वन वर्ड्रूप यूनिट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 1 मिलियन क्यूबिक मीटर पर सेकंड. एक सेकंड में मिलियन इज 10 लाख मीटर क्यूब, है ना, वाटर क्या है? डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है, मूव हो रहा है. तो क्या बोलेंगे? 1 वर्ड्रूप यूनिट मूव हुआ वाटर में. See, the horizontal flow of water occur as warm and cold. Again, current by direction is the current is divided into two categories. That is surface and vertical. According to temperature, again current is divided into two categories. One is warm, another is cold. Warm current and another is cold current. See, this is the equator. This is the equator. Middle part is the equator, and it is the upper and the lower part is pole. So as I told you, sun is perpendicular towards the equator, so there is more heat. So more heat means warm water is there available over here, वार्म वाटर इज अवेलेबल ओवर हियर एट द इक्वेटर ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल एरिया में. ट्रॉपिकल एरिया में बोले तो 23.5 ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर टू 23.5 स्टॉप ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. दिस ट्रॉपिकल एरिया हैव द वार्मेस्ट ऑफ द वाटर, है ना. और पोल दे हैव द कोल्ड वाटर. In this diagram, see the green or blue color you finding, it is cold water, and the red color, violet color you are getting, it is warm current, warm water. So one more thing you have to understand or to remember, in the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere, above the equator northern, below the equator southern. See the direction of the current, see the arrow showing in this way, in this way. In this way it is showing, that is here, in this way, and here it is showing this way, that is it is clockwise. जैसे क्लॉक चलती है ना, ऐसे ऐसे इधर 12 3 6 9 12 हो गई, तो it is like this, it is moving like this, it is clockwise direction. इधर northern hemisphere में, in the southern hemisphere it is anti clockwise. 12 बजा 9 बज रहा है 6 बज रहा है 3 बज रहा है, उल्टा. घड़ी का कांटा कैसे चलता है, इसका उल्टा चल रहा है. तो सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में कैसा होता है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, और नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में क्लॉकवाइज होता है. तो याद रखना, ओशन करंट मूव इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर क्लॉकवाइज एंड इन सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अब ये जो कोल्ड एंड वार्म करंट से क्या हो रहा है कि कोल्ड एंड वार्म करंट से कि जो वार्म करंट है ना इक्वेटर के पास, वो क्या होता है, पोल की तरफ जाता है, टुवर्ड द पोल, टुवर्ड द पोल. और कोल्ड करंट है जो फ्रॉम द पोल दे आर कमिंग टुवर्ड द इक्वेटर, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम इक्वेटर. वार्म करंट फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर दे आर गोइंग टू द पोल एंड पोल की तरफ जा रहे हैं, इधर से पोल की तरफ जा रहे हैं. और जो कोल्ड करंट है इधर से इधर आ रहे हैं, from pole to equator. This is happening. Warm current flow on the surface, flow on the surface. Cold current inside the surface, deep movement हो रहा है. Cold current का deep movement हो रहा है, like this. Warm current ऊपर जा रहा है, cold current नीचे नीचे आ रहा है ना. ये इक्वेटर से पोल की तरफ और ये पोल से इक्वेटर की तरफ आ रहा है. This keep on going. This current flow from the equator to the pole and from the pole to the equator. These currents are pushed to long distance by planetary wind. Planetary wind also helping. Temperature is helping, warm or cold है. Planetary wind also pushing it. As a result, ocean water flow from equator to both the pole and vice versa. मतलब pole से equator और equator से pole की तरफ they are moving. Ocean current of Indian Ocean. See, this is the Pacific Ocean. This area is Pacific Ocean. This is our Indian Ocean. This is our Indian Ocean. Yeah. There is a difference between Pacific Ocean pattern and Indian Ocean pattern. There is a difference. What is the difference? See, the difference is that कि इंडियन ओशन जो है ना इट इज लैंड लॉक, इधर से जमीन है, इधर से जमीन, इधर से जमीन, इधर से जमीन. ओके, एंड दिस इज नॉट लैंड लॉक. ओके, दिस इज नॉट लैंड लॉक. So that way even the land also affect the movement. Even the land also affect the movement of the water, because land is there, so the water will not move there, then it will move here there again, है ना. जिसकी वजह से पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है. किधर इंडियन ओशन में और पैसिफिक ओशन में they because the continent is not there, so they are moving in a particular flow which is affected by warm current, cold current or temperature or salinity. But here land is also affecting, or continent is also affecting the pattern. See. But the flow of the ocean current of the Indian Ocean are different. The Indian Ocean is landlocked in the north. North में देखो चारों तरफ क्या है ना. तो the equator divide this ocean into two parts. अब इक्वेटर क्या कर रहा है, दो पार्ट में इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है. यस, आई फॉरगेट टू से, व्हाट इज द अपर पार्ट इज द नॉर्थ एंड द लोअर पार्ट इज द साउथ. द अपर पार्ट इज द नॉर्थ, द लोअर पार्ट इज द साउथ। तो साउथ से तो थोड़ा कोल्ड करंट आ रहा है, जैसे कोल्ड करंट नहीं आ रहा है, वार्म करंट जा रहा है, तो वापस से क्या हो रहा है, मूव हो रहा है, कम बैक हो रहा है, रिवर्स हो रहा है। तो क्या हो रहा है, सर्कुलर मूवमेंट हो जाता है। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, लिटिल बिट सर्कुलर मूवमेंट अकर किधर, इंडियन ओशन में। Azan is going on. I will restart the video.